Good morning, loves. I am on my way to work and I have a video for you guys today. I forgot that I didn't do an intro for it, so I thought while I'm sitting here, not moving, not doing anything, I will just say hey and let you guys know what's going on. I did a DIY. I saw it on Pinterest. A friend of mine was having a Stock the Bar Fiesta taco party thing, and I thought these would be absolutely precious. So it's a super quick video just to let you guys know how to make these pool noodle cacti. I hope you love it. Everything's from the Dollar Tree, and you guys let me know if you like this kind of video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a part of the YouTube family, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. This is the finished product. I really think they turned out adorable. You guys keep watching and I will show you how to make them. I got these planters from the Dollar Tree. I got 4 of them. Originally, I thought they would look really cute if they were stacked, so I used some E6000 just to glue them together. Then I went in with everybody's favorite DIY product, spray paint, and I just sprayed them white. It was kind of hard to get these completely white. The colors kept showing through. Here, I just took you guys to Dollar Tree with me to get the rest of the items for the cacti. I got 2 pool noodles, found some flowers. Our flower selection was so sad. This was it. This was all there was. It was pitiful. And then I had to find, not Q-tips, holy crap, toothpicks. And that's where they ended up, is with all the kitchen stuff. So again, you'll need pool noodles. I got some of that bag shredded paper stuff and flowers and toothpicks, and that is all. And then you just take a knife. I used a serrated one. It made it a lot easier. Cut 3 different sizes of each noodle, and then I just kind of shaved the edge so that it looked not as noodly and more cactusy, if that even makes any sense. And I did that on all 3 of the pieces for both noodles. I also roughed up the edges of the pool noodles with the serrated side of the knife and cut lines down the sides of the noodle so it looked a little more cactusy as well. Then for the container, I just put some rocks in on top of some water bottles so that I wouldn't have to use rocks the whole way, and arranged the pool noodles. This was super simple because you can move those pool noodles all around, and then you just start sticking toothpicks in kind of however you want. There is no rhyme or reason to it, just make it look like a cactus. However, I will say this was actually super sharp, so if you fall or lose your balance into it, not a safe thing. Adding the flowers in is really kind of artist discretion, that's what I'll call it. I'm an artist now. And I actually used the toothpicks to secure them, and then I used that shredded paper to kind of look like sand or rock. I think they turned out so darn cute. Look how adorable these are. They are so cute. They took like 5-10 minutes to make. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, including the planters. And it was, without the planters, it was $6. Including the planters, it was $10, but the planters are gonna be used over and over and over again. So I'm pretty in love. And I'll show you guys as soon as we get it set up at my friend's house. When we got it to my friend's house, we decided that it looked better with only 1 of the planters, so it's not as tall. And I included a picture of the happy couple that it was for. It turned out so cute. I just love them. If you guys love this, let me know. Give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.